I'm staying home today.
I'm staying home today.
Please stay calm.
Please stay calm.
He stays in bed.
He stays in bed.
We're staying here.
We're staying here.
She stays at school.
She stays at school.
Stay with me.
Stay with me.
The cat stays in the garden.
The cat stays in the garden.
I'll stay until 10 o'clock.
I'll stay until 10 o'clock.
Please remain standing.
Please remain standing.
We are staying there all day.
We are staying there all day.
He's staying here over the winter.
He's staying here over the winter.
They stay together as a pair.
They stay together as a pair.
I'd rather stay in the car.
I'd rather stay in the car.
Stay outside.
Stay outside.
Stay awake.
Stay awake.
We stay quiet.
We stay quiet.
She stays in touch with me.
She stays in touch with me.
Please stay quietly seated.
Please stay quietly seated.
The kids are staying inside.
The kids are staying inside.
He stays alone.
He stays alone.
I'm staying overnight.
I'm staying overnight.
We stay friendly.
We stay friendly.
She stays strong.
She stays strong.
Stay with the truth.
Stay with the truth.
I'm staying in the shade.
I'm staying in the shade.
They stay friends.
They stay friends.
Stay by the window.
Stay by the window.
The dog stays quiet.
The dog stays quiet.
Stay in your place.
Stay in your place.
The lamp stays on.
The lamp stays on.
The TV stays off.
The TV stays off.
We're staying in the house.
We're staying in the house.
I stay positive.
I stay positive.
Stay healthy.
Stay healthy.
She stays in the office.
She stays in the office.
He's staying at the train station.
He's staying at the train station.
I'm staying with the boss.
I'm staying with the boss.
We're staying at the beach.
We're staying at the beach.
Stay together.
Stay together.
The bag stays here.
The bag stays here.
He stays calm despite stress.
He stays calm despite stress.
Please stay in the car.
Please stay in the car.
I'm staying until dinner.
I'm staying until dinner.
The door stays open.
The door stays open.
The window stays closed.
The window stays closed.
We are staying at the campsite.
We are staying at the campsite.
I'm staying on the train.
I'm staying on the train.
We stick to the plan.
We stick to the plan.
She's staying at the cafe.
She's staying at the cafe.
He's staying abroad.
He's staying abroad.
I'm sticking to my opinion.
I'm sticking to my opinion.
The weather stays nice.
The weather stays nice.
They're staying with family.
They're staying with family.
The guests stay until midnight.
The guests stay until midnight.
We're staying in the city.
We're staying in the city.
The kids stay in the classroom.
The kids stay in the classroom.
I stay in bed because I'm sick.
I stay in bed because I'm sick.
We're staying at the holiday resort.
We're staying at the holiday resort.
Stay here until I come back.
Stay here until I come back.
He stays with his grandparents.
He stays with his grandparents.
We are staying in the forest.
We are staying in the forest.
They stay on the balcony.
They stay on the balcony.
I'm staying in the room.
I'm staying in the room.
Stay friendly to everyone.
Stay friendly to everyone.
The lamp stays on all night.
The lamp stays on all night.
We are staying 1 week at the hotel.
We are staying 1 week at the hotel.
I stick to my decision.
I stick to my decision.
Stay in the house, it's raining.
Stay in the house, it's raining.
He stays at the desk.
He stays at the desk.
She's staying in the hospital.
She's staying in the hospital.
I'm staying with you, don't worry.
I'm staying with you, don't worry.
The weather stays cool.
The weather stays cool.
We're staying at the party.
We're staying at the party.
Stay strong in tough times.
Stay strong in tough times.
The students stay focused.
The students stay focused.
Please stay quiet.
Please stay quiet.
We're staying in the living room.
We're staying in the living room.
Stay on the ball. Don't give up.
Stay on the ball. Don't give up.
I stay motivated.
I stay motivated.